Hey guys, in my previous video I have shown you how I grow my okra. These are my okra now. They are getting old, less productive and dying. They are also infected by fungi. The leaves are getting thinner and yellowish. Let's see if we can turn this okra to be productive again. Simply cut the main stem and let it sprout. We have to water it every day. Removing unwanted branch or leaves. And do not forget to apply fertilizer to boost the growth. Now they are starting to produce. Now after 5 weeks of cutting, we will be able to harvest. Thank you everyone for watching my video.